Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya at top. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. I have a special unboxing here for y'all today. Probably one of my favorite Air Jordans of 2020. And that's not really saying a lot because 2020 has not been the best so far to me when it comes to releases. There's not really a lot of shoes that I can really say I've been waiting for. And this shoe in particular, I have been waiting for. Hopefully everybody is having an amazing day, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones. Y'all already know the vibes over here at the channel, bruh. This is where you come for all your early reviews, all your sneaker news on what's dropping, how to cop. And if you enjoy videos like this, man, make sure you hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe button because it's always a lot more coming. This ain't it, bro. I got a lot more heat. That's on dog. So check this out. The Last Dance documentary dropped, and this shoe actually shock dropped on the first episode. Everybody in the world knew. So I really wouldn't call it a shock drop, but we kind of have to just to make it sound good, okay? I was on YouTube Live, I believe, at the time, and I was doing like this thing with Unbreakable and my boy Holla before Last Dance came on, basically talking about what we thought it was going to be about and what we was kind of expecting to see. Everybody in the chat was telling me shock drop, and I kind of already knew it was going to be a shock drop. So judging by how many people hit and how many people knew, I mean, just about everybody got it. One huge thing happened though. After winning this shoe on a shock drop, everybody received a message saying that, I think it said shipping will be delayed until May 5th or something like that, or May 10th? Hold on, let me look for it real quick because I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I think it says shipping. I think it was the 5th though. If I'm not mistaken, it was the 5th or the 4th. It got to be one of the two. This shoe released May 2nd, right? So everybody was getting all wounded up. I know I was. I even dropped a video on it saying like, look, hey, hold up, bro. Like, what are we doing here? It's not a shock drop if we get the shoe 2 days after the release. There's no point in even having the shoe on a shock drop if I'm not gonna get it early. And I guess they heard me complaining and crying and grieving because here I have it and it's only, what, April 30th? So it definitely came before schedule, and like I said, these have not came out yet. They actually come out this weekend. Today is Thursday, these joints drop Saturday, and it will be for the retail price of $200. Now for my people that's looking for these, man, I do think they're gonna be very, very available. Of course, they're gonna be back on Nike Sneakers, Foot Locker, Foot Action, just about every foot site you can even think of, even like DTLR and things like that. But with all that being said, man, let's get to it. I'm excited to open these up because I've never ever owned a pair of Fire Red 5s in my life. This is my first pair of Fire Red 5s. Hey, man, I don't know. Hey, look, I ain't gonna hold you. When this whole quarantine started, I was saving a lot of money. I wasn't buying sneakers. This last month, yeah, March, I bought like 8 pair of shoes, bro. I've been going low-key too crazy. Comment down below if you've been going too crazy, because at first I was like, look, I'm saving some bread. You know, this quarantine ain't bad. But now I look back at my bank statements, I'm like, bro, why did I buy all these shoes this month? What all the shoes that I bought, bro? I bought Yeezy slides. I bought 700 V3s. I bought, I'm losing track, bro. I gotta look around. I bought a lot of stuff this month, bro. Now, okay, and a lot of stuff didn't even come in yet. Some of my stuff still hasn't came in yet. I'm waiting on. I bought a lot of stuff this month. All right, man, let's get to it, bro. Let's see what we got. And looking at the box, I'm gonna let y'all see that. Air Jordan Jump, man. That Jordan 5 box. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes, man. This unboxing is kind of smooth because I didn't expect these. So unexpected sneakers are always the best. So let's talk for a second. You get your regular standard Air Jordan 5 box, but we're not gonna really dive into that. I want to dive into more of, don't y'all think it would have been better if they came up with a concept that was for The Last Dance? If they, think about it, right? If they did something for The Last Dance, like they did this shock drop, and this Air Jordan 5 is for the shock drop of The Last Dance. Would have been dope if they would have did like some type of different box or some type of different theme around this shoe. If they could have gave us like a different box. Do y'all remember the box that the Derek Jeter 11 Lows came in, or the Union LAs came in? Like all those shoes during that time were like that crazy cartoony box. Just a thought, you know. I don't know how far they planned out doing this documentary series, but in my opinion, you know, I just thought that it'd be dope. Jordan Brand don't do stuff like that. Even with the DMP 6s, I remember the DMP 6s that came out this year, regular box, whoop-de-doo-de-doo. If you look back when they actually dropped in 2004, they had like the DMP pack. It had like double boxes. You open it up, it's hologram of Michael Jordan laying the ball up. You get like the gold tags. It was a complete different experience. They need to bring those back because I feel like those make better sneaker unboxings and just a better experience whenever you buying Jordans. If you're one of those OG Jordan collectors, man, and you remember buying the Jordans with the card, or if you remember buying the Jordans when they had like so much theme going on back when they had like Air Jordan special packaging, I'm gonna need y'all to smash that like button, because they're not doing that anymore. And even though I was too young to go through that phase, I still hear stories about it and I miss it. I'm hearing like they came out with Jordans and suitcases with CDs in them. Like, where is that now? That was back when nobody could record and give y'all publicity for it. Now you get YouTubers out here all the time unboxing y'all shoes, and now y'all want to unfancy it up? No, that's backwards. This is the time where you're supposed to bring out all the fancy stuff you got. Come on, man. Y'all killing me, bro. Y'all killing me. Wow, look at these, bro. These look so clean in the camera. Nike Air on the back. Can y'all see how clean these are? Gotta be one of the cleanest sneakers in my opinion. I don't have a lot of, and this material is not bad either. I don't have a lot of fives, guys. The only Five Guys, get it? Five Guys Burger and Fry. Anyway, hey, look, it was corny. I don't have a lot of Air Jordan 5s. The only 5s I have is I got the red suede and I got the Supreme 5. So to have an OG like this in the collection means a lot to me, and I know this is a lot of favorites for you guys. On a small list of 5s that I do like, this is one of my favorites. It'll be the Fire Red 5. I love that Wolf Gray 5. One of my favorites as well. I remember growing up, my boy Christian Bogarty had a pair of Wolf Gray 5s, and I always wanted them. He made them look so cool. And then last but not least, gotta be the Black Metallic 5s. The Black Metallic 5s gotta be one of my favorites as well. So remember when I dropped this video and I told you guys the next day that I got a pair, Sneakers app failed me. So I need to give a huge shout out to Feast and Treats, another YouTuber who's killing it right now. Check out her channel when you get a chance. She threw me a lob of steel of the year so far, bro. Check this out. So I was on Instagram mad, and I made that video that all y'all be retweeting now. I feel like a gift, and I was just saying Sneakers app is trash because I was mad and I missed out on these and I wasn't able to get them. And she DM'd me like, yo, I hit for a size 12. I was trying to look out for somebody, but I got the wrong size for them. Do you need them? Huh? Do I need them? Yes, run those. I need them. And she tossed me these for retail, and basically, I would not have these if it wasn't for her. So can y'all please do me a huge favor, Snipe Squad? Can y'all go to this description, check out her channel, subscribe, and check out the video she's making over there. She's doing a lot of great things. So Feast and Treats, thank you so much for throwing me this live, because I would not have this beauty if it wasn't for you being nice. So thank you. Let me check this out, man. Let me check this out. I remember this shoe though. Like, it's not too many shoes comes out and you remember, you know, growing up and people having them on. I wouldn't necessarily say I wanted them like super bad, but I just always thought they was cool, and I always said I was gonna get a pair, and now I finally do have a pair. You know what I'm saying? I remember all black midsole with the shark teeth on the side, man. Like I don't know what it is about the shark teeth, man, but that's always been so fire to me. I remember these came out when I was in high school, but people was hooping in these, and I've never been one to hoop in my Jordans, never. And I know Jordans is technically a basketball shoe, but the way I treat them and the way I look at my mics, man, I've never ever hooped in a pair ever. Even down to like the pacifier on the tongue, the lace lock, it's just special. This shoe holds a very, very special place to me, and that's why y'all see me react. I reacted so crazy on the video where I was trying to go for these. If y'all have not watched that, I'm gonna link that up there somewhere. I did a live cop trying to get these on Nike sneakers, and they finessed me. But man, hey, y'all already know the vibes, bro. Review and on foot is coming soon. This is just an unboxing, and I can't wait to throw these on feet and just with a few different looks. Right now it's raining like cats and dogs outside, so I'm not really sure when I'm gonna drop that video. I could do it in the crib, but I don't know. I feel like outside vibe with these. I want that natural sunlight to beam off this white colorway. That's pretty much it for me, guys. Before you head out, make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter. I can't stress it enough. I give out a lot of information on how to cop. I do giveaways. I keep you guys updated on what's coming out, best way to get them. So you're not gonna be able to get that if you're not following me on the gram. Other than that, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, but you know I cannot leave without saying everybody wanna be famous, but we're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.